Hello, everyone. My name is Jenna Burley. I'm a Senior Customer Success Coach here at Bright MLS, and I cover Berks, Chester, Delaware, Lancaster, Lebanon, Montgomery, and Schuylkill counties. If your brokerage office or your association is located in these areas, please feel free to reach out to me with any concerns, questions, or additional training. I'm always happy to help. Today, we're going to talk about public records and searching for those million-dollar properties to prospect to. So let's head over to the workspace. And before we begin in public records, if you're unsure of how to begin searching for those million-dollar listings, just click on search and go to your residential sale. Enter in your area, because what we want to do, we want to find out for public record purposes what those million-dollar listings are paying in their annual tax amount. So we can keep our status as is and just enter 1 million into the price range. Take a look at your results, scroll down to that annual tax amount, and once you have that, then you can go to your public records search and begin your prospecting. I am going to focus on Chester County, because I know that anyone in Chester County that has a property that may list for, has sold for $1 million or more is paying at least $15,000 to $17,000 in that annual tax amount. So I'll just go ahead and type in that range. And I'm also going to look at a settlement date because I just want to make sure that that's what they're paying in today's market. So I'll look at any properties from 2015 with a settlement date of 2015 or later. And you can see right here that I have 683 matches. So let's go ahead and take a look at these results. And there you have it. The top one, 41 Branch Ave, is an annual tax amount of $15,000. And this recorded date was May of last year, and it sold for $1 million. So from here, you can go ahead and save this data for later to use in your marketing. Remember just to go ahead and pick up your properties, come down to the Actions tab and hit Print. Choose your mailing labels and hit Print to PDF. And this may take a while because I have a few properties there. There you have it. Your labels are ready to put in your printer and print out these homeowners that are, own properties that are at least marketed at $1 million. You also have the option, if I go back, and if you want to save this for later, you can export this data, still making sure to choose your owner mailing labels, hit export. Let's go ahead and open that Excel spreadsheet. Bring that over for you all to view. And you can just go ahead and save this to your desktop and split it out if you like, depending on your marketing budget. I will point out, if you're using the Excel spreadsheet, you have to be cautious of the owner do not mail column and also the property do not mail column. If you see a yes in this column, remove that owner, because you aren't going to be able to mail out your marketing material to these properties. So again, just always remember to check that owner do not mail list and property do not mail list. I hope this was helpful. I'm wishing you all a great day and the most success. Thanks for joining, everyone. Take care.